Data preprocessing means cleaning, transforming, and preparing raw data before analysis. In practice, this step often takes 60 to 80% of the total time in the entire data analysis process. Why does it take so much time? Because raw data usually has many issues: missing values, duplicates, inconsistent formats, or outliers. If not handled properly, incorrect data can lead to wrong analysis results, which in turn may cause wrong business decisions. Example: a retail company imports customer data. If phone numbers are sometimes recorded as +84 and sometimes as 0, or emails contain extra characters, the system may fail or send promotional messages to the wrong recipients. Common issues in data: missing data. For example, in a survey table, a respondent leaves the income question blank affects accuracy. Duplicate data. The same customer is entered twice. Sales may be counted twice. Inconsistent formatting. Dates recorded as January 1st, 2024 or January 1st, 2024, difficult for computers to aggregate. Outliers. For example, a store's revenue is recorded as $1 billion instead of 1 billion VND. The average result is skewed. Key steps in data preprocessing. Data integration. Combine data from multiple sources, e.g., Excel, sales systems, and website data. Data cleaning. Handle missing values, e.g., replace with mean or remove duplicates, and fix formatting errors. Data transformation. Standardize/scaling. Encode categorical variables, e.g., gender 0, male, 1, female, or create new features. Data reduction. Sampling or dimensionality reduction to speed up analysis while retaining important information. You can use text functions for data preprocessing. For example, left, right, MID, to extract parts of a text. Substitute, to replace an old text, with a new text, within a string. Clean function, removes non-printable characters, tabs, line breaks, etc. Trim function, removes leading and trailing spaces and reduces multiple consecutive spaces within text to a single space. When processing date-type data, you can use the date-related functions learned previously. For example, to extract the month from a date value, you can use the month function. For numeric data processing, we can use arithmetic functions. Here, we also study the text and dollar functions. The text function converts a value into a text string with a specified format. Example: text 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. This converts the number 1 into a display format with leading zeros, resulting in 0, 0, 0, 1. When dealing with multiple pieces of data that we want to combine, besides using the AND operator, we can use the concat and text join functions. Concat combines text 1, text 2 into a single string. Text join joins text strings with a specified delimiter. Ignore empty equals true, skips empty cells. Ignore empty equals false, includes empty cells. To combine data from multiple tables, such as for lookups, you can use the VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, match, and index functions, as covered in the previous section. Duplicate data occurs when one or more records, rows, in a data table are repeated. Removing duplicate data helps to ensure more accurate data, prevent incorrect reporting, reduce file size, and make management easier. Example: a customer list where the same person is entered multiple times. How to remove duplicates in Excel. Place the cursor within the data range. Go to the Data tab, remove duplicates. Select the columns to check for duplicates. Click OK. Excel will keep one unique record and delete the duplicate rows. Find. Used to locate the position of specific data within a dataset. Replace. Not only finds data but also replaces it with a new value. These tools help you quickly edit data without manually searching and retyping each cell. How to use. Go to Home Find and select Find or Replace. Enter the data to search in the Find What field. Enter the replacement data in the Replace with field for replace. Text to columns is a feature that helps split the content of a cell into multiple separate columns based on a delimiter or fixed width. This tool is very useful when importing data from CSV files, management systems, or copying data from the web into Excel where everything is in a single column. To split the data, select the data. Go to Data Text to Columns. Choose the delimiter. Click Finish. Sorting data is the process of changing the order of records, rows, in a table based on one or more criteria. The purposes are to make it easier to observe and compare, analyze data more systematically, prepare for operations such as filtering, calculations, and reporting. Example: sort a list of students by scores from highest to lowest to see who is top of the class. To sort data, select the data range. Go to Data Sort. Choose the field to sort by and the sort order. Click OK.